Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 8, Profit, Loss and Discount. Profit, Loss and Discount. The formulas related to this chapter are these. Number 1 formula, profit or gain. These two things are the same. Is equal to SP minus CP. SP is selling price and CP is cost price. Loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. SP, that is selling price, is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price. Selling price SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into cost price CP. CP is equal to, next formula, CP is equal to 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP. CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. This formula we will use when profit is given to us, and this formula we will use when loss percentage is given to us. These formulas you have to copy in your classwork notebook. Now we are starting doing the exercise 8 with question number 1. A person purchased a chair for rupees 700 and spent rupees 170 on its repairs and rupees 30 on cartage, and if he sold the chair for rupees 1080, that is 1080 rupees, what is his gain percent? Gain percent we have to calculate. The solution of this question is this. CP of a chair is given to us, that is 700. Money spent on repairing, that is 170 rupees. Money spent of cartage is rupees 30. Actual cost price, that will be add this all, 700 plus 170 plus 30, that become 900. This become actual cost price. Selling price of a chair is given to us, that is 1080. Now we can observe that SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater than CP, we have profit, and profit equals to SP minus CP, and the SP is 1080 and CP is 900. So that will be equals to 180. Now to change this profit into profit percent, we use the formula profit upon CP into 100. Profit is what? How much is the profit? Is 180 upon 900. This will cancel and we will get the answer 20%. Next sum, question number 3. By selling an article for rupees 960, a man incurs a loss of 4%. What was the cost price of the article? This is the question that has to be solved. The solution is here. The SP of an article that is given to us, rupees 960. Loss percent that is given in the question is 4%. CP of an article, the formula used is 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. 100 upon 100, loss percent is given to us 4%, that will be 4 here, and multiply by SP, that is 960. So this is 100 upon 100 minus 4 become 96. 9 multiply by 960. 960 will be cancelled by 96. That give us 10, and 100 multiply by 10 become 1000. This is the answer. Now we are doing the question number 4. The question is, if the selling price of 20 articles is equals to the cost price of 15 articles, then what is the loss percent? Loss percent we have to calculate in this question. Now see the solution carefully. SP, which is given to us, SP of 20 articles is equal to CP of 15 articles. This is given to us in the question. We have to suppose now cost price of one article is rupees X. Therefore, the cost price of 15 article become 15X, because one article cost X, then cost price of 15 article become 15X. That we know that SP of 20 article is equals to the CP of 15 articles. Therefore, SP of 20 article will be equals to 15X. Now we have to calculate CP of 20 articles because this is the CP of SP of 20 articles. Now we have to calculate CP of 20 articles. That will be equals to 20X because CP of one article is X. So CP of 20 article become 20X. Now we can observe that in between CP and SP, what? CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP. What we have then? Loss. And what is the formula for the loss? That is CP minus SP. CP is 20X and SP is 15X. So that will be equals to 5X. And now we have to convert this loss into loss percent. And formula is loss upon CP into 100. The loss is 5X and what? CP is 20X. X will be cancelled. 20 5s are 100 and 5 5s are 25%. That is the loss percent. Now we are doing the question number 7. The question is, by selling a basket of mangoes for rupees 105, a fruit seller loses rupees 30%. For how much should he sell it to gain 40%? What is the question? By selling a basket of mangoes for rupees 105, this is the selling price. A fruit seller loses 30% loss. And for how much should he sell to gain 40%? So what is the solution for this? See that this is the solution of question number 7. So what? SP of mangoes, that is selling price of mangoes, that is given in the question, is 105. And loss percent is 30%. Loss percent is 30%. So what is the cost price formula for the cost price? The cost price of mangoes, that is 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Because loss is given, so formula is minus loss percent into SP. So now this 100 upon 100 minus 30, because the loss percent is 30, into 105. 100 minus 30 becomes 70. 100 upon 70 into 105. 10 cancel and 7 and 105 cancel. It become 15 and 15 10 rupees 150. This is the cost price of mangoes. Now what he want? He want 40% gain. 40% gain. So SP of the mangoes, the formula for that is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price. 100 plus profit percent is 40. So 100 plus 40 upon 100 into 105. Cost price we calculated here. Okay. So is equal to 100 plus 40, 140 upon 100 into 150. 10 cancel, the other 0 is cancel. 14 into 15 is become 210. So SP of mango should be 210 to gain 40% on it.